Good morning, students. This one is exercise. This one is exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. Chapter quadratic equation. So, question number 1. Given check whether the following are quadratic equation or not. So many equation are there in this problem. Question number 1. So just I am selecting 2 and doing. So just you see the process, and rest of the problem are same type. Just you have to reduce in the simplest form. If there is highest power of the variable 2, then that is quadratic, otherwise it is not a quadratic equation. So you see this one already written x plus 1 whole square equal to 2 into x minus 3. So first of all just you reduce it. That means here you see a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square wise just we break it, a square plus 2ab plus b square formula wise breaking. Then right hand side there is 2x minus 6, you shift to left side, then these two terms sign will be changed. This one see plus 2x, if you bring in left side then it will be minus 2x, minus 6, shift to left side then it will be plus 6, then plus twice x minus twice x, plus into minus minus, same minus same equal to 0. So cut, that means 0. So x square, and here you see plus 1 and plus 6. 6 plus 1 equal to 7. So x square plus 7 equal to 0. That means after reducing we are getting one equation, that is x square plus 7 equal to 0, and here highest power of the variable is 2. So it is quadratic. Now question number 3 you see. So left hand side and right hand side. First of all you have to reduce it. So you multiply these two, then you multiply these two, and there you have to use formula. One formula is there. I think already got in class 8. X plus a into x plus b equal x plus a into x plus b equal x square. X square minus a plus b into x plus a into b. This formula wise you have to do, okay? Or one more thing you see, or you can use this one also. See, these two just you multiply like this, x minus 2 into x plus 1. Just you multiply first term into whole term. So x into x plus 1. And then minus 2 into x plus 1, then what you get, plus into plus plus, x into x, x square, plus into plus plus, x into 1 x, minus into plus, minus into plus, minus 2 into x, twice x, minus into plus minus, 1 into 2, 2. So what we are getting, x square minus x minus 2x minus 2. So here you see minus 2, this one minus 2, and this one is what, minus x. Then what we are getting here, see, x square plus into minus minus, so here you will get minus x minus 2. See, x square minus x minus 2, and here you see x square minus, it should be what? It should be minus x. That means we have to give here what? Plus sign. We have to give here plus sign. That means we have to use there what formula? If it is in the plus form, x plus a into x plus b, that means we have to write x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. This format wise we have to do. But if there is minus, then here you have to give minus sign. If there is minus, this one both are plus plus, so x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Or if there is minus, x minus a into x minus b, then we have to write x square minus a plus b into x plus ab. This formula we can apply. So now here we have to give what? Plus, then it should be minus, and that rest part just you have to do again. You see this one also plus, then it will be 3 minus 2 equal to plus 2, then it should be plus twice x, and that rest part is okay, no problem. This part just you have to change. So x square minus x, then minus 2 equal x square plus twice x minus 3. That means here we are using actually this formula. We are thinking what? A is minus 2 and B is 1. In the place of A, minus 2, in the place of B, 1. And that way just you put in this formula to get left side, and here that A is minus 1 and B is plus 3. And that way just you put in this formula to get this. Now see, after reducing, getting x square minus x minus 2, x square plus 2x minus 3. So if you bring in same side, minus x minus 3, shift to left side, then x square minus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. These two are cancelled. That means cut. So minus into minus plus, so it should be minus 3x minus 2 and plus 3, then it should be plus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore the highest power of the variable is not 2, so it is not a quadratic polynomial. Okay, so this way we can solve the problem in question number 1. So many equations are there. Like this you have to reduce and solve. If you will get highest power of the variable 2, that is quadratic. If you will not get highest power of the variable 2, then it is not a quadratic equation. Now you see question number 2. Question number 2, some problems are there. So we have to reduce into mathematical statement, that means as a quadratic equation, and we have to solve to get the value of the variables. So there is written represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. So written what? The area of a rectangular plot. What types of plot? Rectangle. Already you know rectangle. It is the rectangular plot. Suppose it is what? Length, it is breadth. These two sides equal, these two sides equal, opposite sides are equal. So written what? It is a rectangular plot, and the area given. Area means space occupied by a boundary is called area. Space occupied by a boundary is called area. So area of rectangle formula is, we have to use this formula, area of rectangle. Area of rectangle equal length into breadth. This formula we need to use. So written what? Area of a rectangular plot given 528 meter square. Area of a rectangular plot given 528 meter square, and written the length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. So first of all you have to consider breadth. So written, let the breadth of the rectangular plot be x. Rectangular plot be x. This one declaring. Then written length of the plot is 1 more. Length is equal to 1 more. More means plus. 1 more. More means plus. Twice. Twice means 2 into. Twice its breadth. Then breadth is what? X. In the place of breadth you write x, because written the breadth of the plot be x. So in the place of breadth you write x. So 1 plus twice x. So length is 1 plus twice x and breadth is what? X. And according to question, area of the rectangular plot 528. Then next you see area of a rectangular plot means area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth equal 528 meter square. So here length is 1 plus 2x into breadth is x equal to 528. Then you multiply x into 1, x into twice x, 2x square equal 528. Then by shifting you will get, it is the quadratic equation, it is the required quadratic equation. This situation you have to represent as quadratic equation. And finally you have to solve and find out the length and breadth of the rectangular plot. So there you have to apply middle term factorization. So 528 into 2. 528 into 2. What do we get? 16, 6, 1 in hand. 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5. Then 5 to the 10. So we are getting it is the total product of coefficient of 2 and the constant term. After that we have to apply prime factorization method like this to get two factors. two factors in such a way either their addition value is equal to 1 or their subtraction value is equal to coefficient of x. So that two factors are what? One is 33x, then another one 32. That means 33 into 32 equal to see 1052 minus 528 equal to 0. Minus 528 equal to 0. So from here you can take common x, then there is left 2x plus 33, then minus you take common 32, then x, not 32, you take 16, then 16 to the 32, 16 to the 32, minus into plus minus, minus into minus, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus, then 16 into 33, 16 into 33 equal to 528. Now it is the first term, it is the second term. Between both the term, that common is what? 2x plus 33 is the common factor. Then here left x, here left minus 16. Then it is equal to 0. We are getting two factor of this equation. Therefore you write either or. That means 2x plus 33 equal to 0 and x minus 16 equal to 0. So 2x equal minus 33, then x equal to minus 33 by 2, which is not acceptable, because x is what? Breadth. Breadth is physical quantities. Physical quantities will never be negative, so it is not acceptable. So now here you see x equal to 16, therefore breadth is what? X equal to 16 meter, and you write here length is what? 1 plus 2x, 1 plus 2 into x value is what? X value 16. So 1 plus 16 to the 32, then 1 plus 32 equal to 33 meter. So like this you have to solve the problem which are given in question number 2. There is given some problem sum, you have to reduce into quadratic equation, then you have to solve that equation by middle term factorization, and so many processes are there. You will get gradually in the next videos. Okay, so just you see the videos serially to get the next solutions.